appreciate that. Dan's hinting at winter a little bit.
Oh, I'm hinting because you know as well as I do that when it's this nice, this late in the season, there's a price to pay.
Can't last.
Yep.
But let's enjoy it while it does last. And today we were up in Chopper 5 and we found this mountain goat hanging on the ledges. What a beautiful sight that is. And it's amazing how they are able to maneuver on these ledges. I can't imagine myself standing in such a position. In just a moment, we'll angle around and watch as he or she gracefully walks from rock to rock. All right, I am hinting that fall will continue for a while. In fact, I can guarantee it through the weekend. Gary Walker, he was up at Indian Creek and shot these pictures. That's near the Tusher Mountains. What a beautiful sight these colors are, gracefully covering the mountainsides here in Utah. And this is going to be a great weekend to get out and enjoy some of the fall colors. I might suggest that you make plans to do it this weekend because there will be a storm in the middle of next week. It'll make a big change. Speaking of storms, let's look at the seasonal snowfall going back to 2004-2005. We had 120% of the normal snowfall here at the airport that season. Then we dropped to 72% and then down a little bit to 69%. 114%, 07-08, and last year we dropped again to 75%. I've been looking at the El Nino, which is building into a moderate stage. Based on that and patterns that are typical with El Nino, I'm predicting that we'll be close to 100% this year. In other words, there's no real factor pushing us one way or the other, but I do feel that we will be at or slightly warmer than normal through the winter season. So that's kind of a hint. And the feeling is right now we'll probably see those big changes coming more likely in late November and December, not sooner than later. It'll probably continue as this nice warm and summer-like weather pattern, at least through the weekend, and then drier and warmer than normal, likely continuing into October. 82 in Cedar City today, Flaming Gorge 70, just delightful weather. 40s, 50s, 30s for lows, around 80 for highs. It's interesting how some valleys are so much colder than others, but in the daytime we're right up there in the upper 70s and low 80s. Low 90s in St. George today, West Valley 81. Okay, here's the picture. Clear from top to bottom with the exception of the Colorado border. A little bit of cool air still sneaking into eastern Utah associated with this storm that's sitting over Denver, Colorado, actually moving east into parts of Kansas. As it moves eastward, that storm will continue to bring some storminess, some severe weather to Kansas, Nebraska, parts of Oklahoma. But we're under a ridge of high pressure, and this ridge right here is going to build strongly over the Beehive State, and that's going to give us very nice weather, not only tomorrow, but through the weekend. In fact, it'll be 10 or hotter than normal for several days until a storm arrives about Tuesday night, Wednesday of next week. Mid-90s St. George, low 80s Beaver, mid-80s Nephi, gorgeous weather, fabulous, right on through Monday. Then winds and possible precipitation mainly over the mountains Wednesday in southern Utah. Now the Wasatch Front enjoying this gorgeous weather. 83 in Salt Lake City tomorrow, 76 in Evanston. Let's take a look at the football forecast for high schools throughout the state. It looks great. 70s across northern Utah, 70s and 80s and sunny, clear skies in the south. Here's the big change. Hotter than normal through Monday. In fact, near record-breaking warm this weekend. Tuesday, chance for a thunder shower. Wednesday, rain in the valleys, mountain snow. Thursday, chilly. So enjoy it while it lasts.
Quite a change.
Yeah, thanks.